Okay, hi there. If I told you I didn't know what I was going to do with this, you'd probably believe me, wouldn't you? So let's just do random weird things. Let's put a bunch of gold and or other colors on there from squeeze bottles that already have Floetrol mixed in, but no silicone. And let's use my favorite colors because I forgot to clean that tip out. Okay, easy way to clean a tip out. Take your bamboo skewer, shove it through the end. Try not to get yourself too messy like I am right now. I don't have a large canvas in front of me right now, so I'm just going to take this paint that I've been working out of all day. It's starting to set up, and it needs to be used. And that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to use it. See what happens. Looks like I got a lot of extra, and I wish I hadn't lost, there it is, my cover. And there also is another useful item, which is my edge catcher, which I am about to use. Let's see if we can make some good things happen with some paint that's been around maybe a little longer than it should. But remember, if all else fails, swipe it. Let's just do that. Tip it back and forth. It's looking kind of brown for my taste, but there's some nice blue stuff down there too. Let's see where that goes. Let's just tip that right over. See where it goes. Why not, right? We got some interesting cells popping up. I'm going to use some of that paint that's already on the edge. Just slide it right back onto the canvas with the rest of that. And let's see what I want to do, if anything. I think I could use a little bit of that. Pretend it was there all along. Bring whatever's down there. Maybe I'll just take some paint right off of there. I'll use my spatula. Spread it right out. Let it seal up. And probably tip it too. Just because we can. I think that edge catcher deserves another round of catching. So I am going to take a chance. Yep, I am. I really want it to come over the side, but since I have a bunch of paint on that edge catcher, and it looks similar to the rest of it, I'm just going to use it to cover that edge. And since it's kind of refreshed itself in the meantime, I'm going to use my fingers. I'm going to wipe my hands off. That is pretty intense and not awful. Not awful is always good. I'm going to take some of that paint there. We have some sort of rusty colored paint in there, which is mostly more orange than anything. Where have I got some nice purple? Oh yeah. Let's just have at it. And maybe a little over here. I'm taking my bamboo skewer and just drag it right around, mix it up a little. Call it paint that needs to be used and have a good time. I like it. I do. But maybe I'm easy. I didn't always like my work, but I like this. I like pouring from the beginning. That's why it's so addictive. So, I say, that's kind of cute. Let's give it a chance. See what'll happen. Ooh, look at those cells pop. Wow. Neat. Really? And we were doing very well. I'm going to melt my edge kit. Come on. For some reason, occasionally turning it down seems to help. And then again, it's just finicky. What do I want to do to that? Anything? Not much. Not much, because I'm not unhappy. Yep, that's pretty nice. I don't know how well you can see that. I'll put it back down. Get on my footstool and say you've just witnessed. You can't see all of it. You've just witnessed one more scooping. I think there's paint on my monitor. Go figure. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Lots of really interesting shapes in there. Alright, you have a good day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.